Welcome to Baby Videos. Today we are going to learn numbers in Italian. Are you ready? Or should I say, siete pronti? Okay. Do you know what number this is? It's number 1. In Italian we say uno. Repeat after me. Uno. 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 Amazing! Let's see what the next number is. Now, we have a beautiful pink number that looks like a snake, isn't it? Do you know what number this is? It's number 2. In Italian, we say due. Repeat after me. Due. 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 Amazing! Let's see what the next number is. Keep going, little ones. You're doing so well, or should I say, bravo! Now, for the next number, we have a stunning blue one. Look how it's dancing. What you see here is the talented number 3. In Italian, we say tre. Would you say it with me? Tre. 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 That's it. As you watch, listen, and repeat. You'll be speaking Italian in the blink of an eye. Now, here's number 4. It's a radiant green color, just like the trees and plants that give us tomatoes and garlic. For number 4, we say quattro in Italian. I know it's a little tricky, but if we say it together, we'll get it. Ready? Quattro. 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 That is amazing! Just like a beautiful Italian sparrow flying in the sky. So far, which number has been your favorite? If you ask me, I think number tre was pretty awesome. Don't you think? Okay, let's keep going with the lesson. You're doing fantastic, and I feel like we're learning together. Having fun as parents and kids. Next, we have number 5. It's a jumping yellow number. Can you jump as high as it? In Italian, we say cinque. Ready to say it with me? Cinque. 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 Great job, guys. We are halfway through this joyful experience. Now, here's number 6. It's a bright purple number. It's so strong and proud. In Italian, we say sei. Repeat after me. Sei. 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 Great job! Adorable. Can I ask you something? What is your favorite color? Mine is purple. And in Italian we say viola. But we can leave the colors for a next video. Here comes number 7. This number is a sparkling orange one. The color orange can be found in many fruits along Italy. Can you name 2? Perfect! In Italian we call 7 Sette. Let's say it together. Sette. 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 You're doing amazing! Hey guys, what is your favorite dish? Mine is mushroom risotto with some extra garlic. It's so delicious and refreshing. Do you like garlic? I know garlic is one of the most important ingredients in Italian food, and my nonna, grandmother, makes the best out of it. Okay, keep going with our lesson. Now, number 8. It's a bold and fun blue number, like the blue sky. In Italian, we say Otto. Let's say it together. Otto. 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 Excellent! Such amazing pronunciation! Here's number 9. Almost finishing the list, well done! Okay, this number is a glowing pink number. In Italian, we say Nove. Repeat after me. Nove. 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 I love how you say this one. We've been learning a lot today. And finally, number 10. Look at this awesome green number. Green is one of the colors in the Italian flag and represents hope. This one in particular has crazy eyes. Haha. In Italian, we say Dieci. Let's say it together. Dieci. 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 You did it! All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to practice your numbers. That is the secret to learning anything you want. We'll see you next time. I can't wait to teach you more numbers and colors. Let me know what you'd like to learn next. And don't forget to share this video if you liked it. Together, we'll learn Italian and have so much fun. Arrivederci.